Just after we had finished destroying King Zenahel's BT system, we were faced with another battle. Spectra was determined to prove that Helios was the ultimate Bakugan. Too bad for them. Drago brought the pain and laid him out once and for all.
Drago, you are the ultimate Bakugan. You are #1.
Believe it or not, even Spectra decided to quit fighting us and come over to the Brawler side. He actually joined our team.
Things are looking brighter.
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hands. Two worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone. This is Bakugan.
Keith, I'm so scared that this is too good to be true. Please be back for good.
Hey, Mira!
Huh?
What are you doing up so early?
Well, you know.
Good morning, Mira.
Good morning.
The Bakugan Battle Brawlers in Fusion Confusion.
What? You're such a kidder.
Would you look at those two? It looks like they're totally back to normal with each other. They're both acting as though the whole Spectra thing never happened.
Spectra's dead now, so we should all act that way.
Yep. He's Keith now. The newest member of the Battle Brawlers.
Huh. You guys are awful quick to trust him.
Hey, come on! What's your problem, man? You were there at the end of that battle. When he took his mask off and said he didn't want to fight, he meant it!
Would you take it easy, Dan? Ace is just mad that Mira's focus is on someone else and not him.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Cute and clueless. Mira's just excited to see her big bro, okay, lover boy? Relax!
Are you out of your mind?
Julie's right. You've got nothing to worry about.
What? I don't need this from you, too.
Excuse me, everyone. May I have your attention, please? Could I ask you all to please assemble in the operation room?
Huh? What for?
Oh, Wicked, it's ready!
Huh?
It's time.
I wanted to show you guys this. It's a scan of the phantom data we received a few days ago.
What is it?
Is that thing making music? Now look here. The one on the right is the data Keith received.
Whoa, check it out. Both strands are practically identical.
Actually, I think you're wrong, Shun. Come and take a closer look, see?
Oh, man!
Yup, both data strands are exactly the same.
No way. What are the odds that Keith would receive the same data as us?
Who knows? But that must be the reason why the Bakugan I fought in inner space had the same battle gear as Helios. If that data is how you built the battle gear, then does that mean we can rig some sick machinery for Nemesis 2?
If anyone should get the next set of battle gear, it's Drago.
What? Why me?
It's true. With his current stage of evolution, we could analyze Drago's DNA code and splice it with the phantom data. From that, we could build a customized set of battle gear for Drago.
I'm not sure.
Sounds risky.
Oh, no way! Think about how powerful you'd be, Drago.
That's a good point. You'd be unstoppable with some battle gear.
But I thought...
Huh?
I already was unstoppable.
Huh? Well, I guess you did destroy the BT system on your own, and you beat Helios. Now that you've evolved into Helix Dragonoid, maybe you don't need the battle gear.
Dan, Drago is satisfied. Don't force him.
I feel good the way I am.
Don't deny yourself this improvement, Drago.
We need to consider the possibility that we're not the only ones with the phantom data.
Do you think... Father?
useless, incompetent fools! You're supposed to be working with me, not against me! This is twice you've destroyed my plans! Once again, I am forced to flee to another dimension like a scurrying rodent, all because you failed me!
But, Father...
Silence!
Please, Your Royal Majesty, we did the best we could. It's not us who failed you.
Then who did?
I don't want to point fingers. If you could be patient...
Enough! I've been patient, and now I've nothing to show for it. Answer my question, now!
Sir!
It's Professor Clay's fault. He and his mechanical Bakugan are the useless ones.
Clay, huh? Someone bring him to me right now!
I knew it. I should have analyzed this sooner. It was a mistake to focus everything on the mechanical Bakugan strategy. Hopefully, I'm not too late to salvage this and bring King Zenaheld a victory. Spectra may have had a head start on this, but no matter. His gift is for fighting, not science, so he's at a disadvantage. I will harness the power of this mysterious data and take it to a level that no one else can. What is this? It looks as though there is a map embedded here. And it leads back to the dimension where the transmission containing the data originated from. What an interesting new development this is. Let's see who has the head start now, my son. Let's see! Do you really think the Vexos have the same data?
I offered to share it with Professor Clay, and he wasn't interested. That suggests to me that he probably already has it.
If they have the same technology, then we've got no choice. We have to upgrade to battle gear. If we want to win, then we have to level the playing field. But... how do you feel about a mechanical body, Drago?
Not good.
It's against our nature. We fought so hard to prove that we are sentient beings.
What you're asking is the first step toward turning us into mindless robot drones.
The battle gear we'd be creating would be utilizing your DNA code. It would be organic to your body, not foreign. It would be a totally natural enhancement.
You're saying it would be like constructing armor from our own flesh and bone? As long as you can assure me that it's nothing like what the Vexos did with mechanical Bakugan, or how you altered Helios when you tried to make him the ultimate Bakugan.
Drago!
Be sure.
Okay. I'll do it for the benefit of the group.
Right on!
You're the best.
Drago's a total rock star!
Oh, you're so brave!
Come on, let's go.
You bet!
Drago's evolution is so advanced, it's going to take some time to fully analyze his DNA. For now, we can create a hybrid prototype by splicing a portion of his DNA strand with Helios's battle gear. It won't be as precise as the final version, but it will give us a sense of the possibilities.
Try not to scratch my battle gear, okay?
I'll do my best.
Here we go. Well, this version is just a mock-up, of course, based on the system's initial analysis of Drago's DNA, and its compatibility with Helios's battle gear.
So depending on the results of the analysis, the final version could be quite different from this? I can't wait to see it! The suspense is killing me! This is worse than waiting to open your presents on Christmas morning!
Would it help if we put Drago in Bakugan Interspace and then scanned and collected his battle data results from there?
Huh? Good idea!
Why didn't I think of that?
So this is Bakugan Interspace.
Ha! Look who's still here! Good thing we're looking for opponents!
Keith, meet Subterra, Cordum, Ventus Hoctor, Aquas Aquamos, and Heos Arnott.
How do you know their names?
In my analysis of the Phantom data, I found their names encrypted deep in the code.
We good to go, Drago?
Yes. I guess it's now or never.
You sound nervous.
Hey, who's the unlucky one who's gonna go toe-to-toe with Drago? Any of you guys brave enough? Huh?
Yeah, I'm game, guys.
Aw, no way! Oh, you guys get to do all the fun stuff.
Yeah! How about giving one of us girls a turn?
Hey, come on, guys! Take it easy. Let's not fight.
Yeah, we're all on the same side here.
There must be a fair way for us to decide. Listen up. I developed the battle gear. I'm the one who's going to fight. Except I'll be fighting a Spectra!
But Keith...
Okay.
Still up for it?
Sure, why not? Let's do it for old time's sake. Okay, Spectra, here's to a friendly battle.
Could this be the start of a beautiful friendship, Dan?
You can do this, Dan! Go, Dan, go!
Oh, Keith.
Remember, Drago, we're friends with Keith, but we're brawling with Spectra. So let's give him our 100%, okay?
Of course, no question.
Helios, I'd like to see what the strange Bakugan can do. Why don't you sit this one out?
I understand.
Gauntlet! Power Strike! Bring it on, Spectra! Gate card set! Let's go, Drago! Bakugan brawl! Bakugan stand! Go! Pyrus Helix Dragonoid! Go, Bakugan brawl! Bakugan stand! Cry! Ventus Hawkdor!
Here I come!
Whoa, Drago looks more fierce than ever.
Both those guys have power levels of 900. No way! That's totally intense.
That means they're even, right from the start.
Enough! What's that? Running away already?
I don't think he is.
Bakugan brawl! Bakugan stand! Go! Subterra Cordum! Seriously? 2 against 1 this early in the battle?
This simulation is useless unless we go all out. Go, Corridum! Fight! Hawkdor! Ability activate!
Oh, Drago! Dang! Ability activate! Dragon Hummer! What? Dragon Hummer is an ability unique to Pyrus Helix Dragonoid. It puts Drago into hypermobility hand-to-hand combat mode and nullifies the opponent's ability. Now, Drago, take him down hard, buddy!
My pleasure!
Whoa! He's getting ragdolled!
Now that's power.
Big deal!
These digital clones are not too shabby.
They are mighty opponents indeed. I'm going to have to up my game so I don't get left behind.
I don't understand. Where did all this data come from?
Spectra! No time for daydreaming, buddy! Wake up! Ability activate! Galactic Dragon!
Hawkdor! Ability activate! Cordum! Protect Hawkdor! Ability activate!
What the?
Man, he's good!
This is bad. He's taking a real beating out there.
Dan, come on!
Huh?
Use the battle gear now! This is the perfect time to test it!
Got it! Ready, Drago?
Ready, jet core.
Battle gear boost!
worry, I'm okay. Keep going.
Now it's our turn.
Ready, Swather Rockhammer.
Battle gear! Boom!
Man, you gave them both battle gear?
You have to stop thinking of this as practice! Fight like your life depends on it! Use your battle gear to its full potential!
All right, I'm ready for it.
Drago! Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Let's do this! Hawkdoor Cordum! Battle gear ability activate!
Whoa, nice one!
Give it to him, Drago!
Yeah, dude, way to go!
I don't understand! None of my evolutions hurt like this!
No! Drago! Ouch! You okay? Oh no!
It feels like I'm being ripped apart!
Look, his body seems to be rejecting the battle gear.
Then we need to get it off of him. It's way too dangerous to continue.
Okay. Pull the plug! Drago!
No! Not yet! We can't give up! Xenaheld and the Vexos might return!
But Drago!
I mean it, Dan! I won't quit! I can do this! Trust me!
Drago!
Huh. His commitment is impressive. Well done, Drago.
Spectra, if Drago says he can keep going,
We should let him. Let's go! Hawkdoor Cordum!
Hey, what the? Stop it, Spectra! You're not helping Drago!
Just listen to me closely, Dan. We need to push Drago to his potential.
don't give in, Drago. Don't let it destroy you.
What? Huh?
I've got this, Dan! Let's finish this, Spectra!
Drago! Okay, I'll back your play! Battle Gear ability activate! Jet Core! No way! He did it!
He froze them and blocked their movement.
Hold on, Drago! Win this!
That's what I plan to do!
Rolling, Drago!
Drago! Huh?
Look there! It happened again!
We did it, buddy! Nice job! Oh no! Drago!
It took everything he had.
Luckily, we managed to collect enough of his battle data. We can use it to develop a custom set of battle gear that won't damage his body.
You want to put more gear on him?
I'll put a rush on the analysis of Drago's DNA code.
Mira, can you go help Marucho with that?
Uh-huh.
Let's just hope the Vexos don't hit us before Keith is done.
Father.
I did it! I found the alternative. Your Majesty.
What do you mean, alternative?
I came upon it as I was analyzing the unknown data. It is the ultimate weapon for the battle gear. If we can produce this alternative lethal weapon system, then it means we are assured control of all dimensional worlds.
The ultimate weapon for battle gear. Interesting. Carry on, Professor, and make this weapon a reality so that we may conquer all worlds.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I have you now, Keith.
This alternative weapon system that Professor Clay is developing will possess the power to annihilate all mankind. I thought the BT system was bad, but this is pure evil. Being around the palace while he worked on it was too much, so I went home for a visit. The town had completely changed, or maybe it's just me. I feel like I've lost something precious and need to get it back. But for whatever reason, my Vexos past seems to keep getting in the way. Maybe you should tune in. Bakugan Brawl! What do you think, 4i80s?